I told you everything matters today. I set up long nights to structure everything in this mad scientist system to plug it in together. You ready? You're going to need this, your money statement. Some of y'all that have been with me for a while know this. Here's how we're going to fill it in. Blank happily pays me blank to do blank. Blank, which is the people. Blank, happily. So let's give an example. Coaches. Entrepreneurs. Happily pay me. What's my number?
Number monthly.
Yep. No, mate, the transaction. What's they paying me? Coaches, entrepreneurs happily pay me 10 to 25K to do what? Don't be that person that say, take them to the next level. People don't pay for that. They pay for transformation. They pay for the payoff. Everybody got that? This is what we call, anybody remembers? Your MMS, your money mindset statement. This ought to be living with you every day. I used to say this every day. When I was still $99, people happily paid me $10,000. First time somebody paid me $10,000, I thought it was an accident. Now, if you say women, you need a descriptor, right? What type of woman? What type of woman? Confused women, women that are stuck, women that need blank, right? That's your MMS. Everybody got it? Does everyone have it?
Yeah.
Holler back at me, yes? Uh-huh.
Yes.
I love how y'all ghetto in here today. What color the Kool-Aid? Red? Everybody got this? This is your MMS, your money mindset statement. I would suggest that you coin this, you grab it. I put stuff like this on my mirror to look at it every day. It's my money mindset statement. People happily pay me. For those of you that are struggling with that number and thinking people won't happily pay you, I live in Atlanta, folks. If we took a field trip right now to Lenox Mall, it's people standing in line to go in Louis. Happily paying these folks thousands. I got no problem with it. Do your thing. It's people standing in line for cell phones. Let's go to the next one. We good?
Yes.
That was your money mindset statement. Now we need a clarity statement. Clarity. Clarity. Can everybody see why we needed this before we went into building anything?
Yes.
Clarity statement. Y'all gonna love this. I sell blank to blank for no less than blank. I sell blank to blank for no less than blank. What do I sell and who do I sell it to? This is a clarity statement. This gives me extreme clarity. I got my MMS. People happily pay me. Coaches and entrepreneurs happily pay me 10 to 25K to do, and I fill that in, but I need clarity. What am I selling to them? I sell, what are you selling? What's the transformation?
Confidence and strategy.
Confidence strategy. Come on. What are you selling? What are you selling? What are you selling? What are you selling? Dun, 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 dun. What are you selling? What are you selling? What are you selling? I sell what? Come on, somebody talk to me. Information. What type? Time-saving information. Come on, everybody, think about the transformation. Yep, I love it. I sell blank to blank for no less than. Like, it's my price. It's up and it's stuck. Come on, what we said at the beginning. It's either what or full price. So I sell. Can everybody see how strong this clarity statement is? These two you need to keep. You have to remind yourself. Give yourself a pep talk. Get clarity. When that client comes to you like, this ain't my client. Last one, your personal money statement. When we come back after the break, we will review those questions and we'll go over these and then we'll go into messaging. I make no less than blank per day, per week, per month. All three. Because most people going to say a number per month without any strategy of what to do per day. This is my personal money statement. Y'all excuse the chicken scratch, but you get it. Personal money statement. I make no less than blank per day, blank per week, blank per month. I believe this in my heart. I taught Bible study last night. And I told them at the end of the Bible study, I said, my goal for the next 2 days is to help them remove money off their prayer list for 2022. To not think about it, to not pray about it. The only decision is, what do I spend it on? Who do I give it to? Some is for you. Some is a seed into your future, and some is the answer to someone else's prayer that God trusted you with it. I don't have money for me. Some is a seed. Like some is for me. God, like, enjoy your life. Live it up. You worked hard for it. But some is a seed into your future. So you better discern how much of it is for you and how much is for your future, for the future you. And some is because I trust you to have enough resources to answer somebody else's prayer. Everybody's not going to have money. Everybody's not going to believe this. Everybody's not going to commit. You notice? We started here, then we went to clarity, then we made it about us. Does everybody get that?